Hey, how's it going, everyone? Dennis here from primetraders.com. I hope everyone's having a fantastic Monday. This is a daily primer video for the Prime Traders community, which you can learn more about in my signature right below. If you're interested to learn more from us, I am shooting out this daily primer on TradingView so I can, well, help a few of you out as well while I help out the existing community we have on primetraders.com. Now, what I'm going to be talking about here today is a little more information on the video we released yesterday, this one here, and this one here. So I'm going to talk to you guys about price action and key levels, more specifically about the trades that we have been taking. You guys can see here. So this is Jeff hitting a few longs on the DAX with trailing stops. And this is me here hitting longs on the DAX too. I'm trying to grow a small account. I actually have some longs too now, targeting the top side. Anyway, daily primer. Time to talk about this. Like I said, key levels and price action. Pretty much the only things that you need to draw these levels is the following. VPSV, and you need the daily highs and daily lows. Now, what I use to draw the daily highs and daily lows is the rectangle here, like this. Extend to the right. Mark taught me this. So I get the close and I get the low. So the spike and the close. Same thing goes for the upside. This is where the market opened, and this is the daily high, and this is the daily low. Of course, this is a really important level here too, so I'm monitoring this very carefully. And if I start seeing lower highs and lower lows forming in this area, of course, on the tick chart, which you will see like this. One sec. Un momento. So here I have two longs. This is very tight, by the way. And what I'm essentially focusing on, and this is really, really important, guys. You have your key levels, and let's just go back to the key levels. That's the daily high, daily low, and the volume top, bottom, and the POC. Of course, we have the VWAP as well, which is pretty important. Now, once that's done, what I do is I zoom in to price action using the 50 tick chart. Okay, on CTrader, 50 tick chart. 50 tick chart is much faster than a minute chart, by the way. So you can see here, look, we have the VWAP, that's this white dotted line. We have a support. I started buying this, took some profit, took it up again. Price action forms a higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, double bottom, hence buy, buy. Double top, followed by a double bottom, momentum's going up. So as long as this formation remains intact, specifically these lows over here, I'm going to hold on to this trade or trades. I just moved my stop loss higher to this blue level. This is a custom indicator that I use. It gives me the ratios of extension from top to bottom. Nothing important right now. So I'm focusing on price action. While I focus on price action, I get to be buying and selling. So I'll show you my trades for the day. So this is history. This is today. I'm just showing you pips wise. You can see buy, 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 buy. My biggest winners are buys. But if I scroll a little bit more down, this is all today, by the way. Let me just zoom this out a little bit. There it is. So I made this much bigger. You can see that I was very active today. I'm just trading the DAX, by the way, so here it is. So I'm making money buying, I'm making money selling. See, there are sells, much more buys, of course, because I started stacking on to the buys when the market started moving up. But overall, I am making money on both sides of the market. The reason is I'm focusing on. So I'm getting out of this now. 1 second, I need to close. Yep, SL hit and reverse into shorts. So now I'm taking shorts, and I'll tell you why. Price action has formed a lower low on the 50 tick chart. So I'm thinking that, okay, we are extended towards the upside. We hit the previous rejection area, which we're at right now, and I'm expecting the market to go down. How far down, we don't know, hence why we focus on we focus on price action, highs and lows, and key levels. So for the time being, I'm going to be focusing on this blue level here. And I guess that's pretty much it. Now let's connect this together. I've been talking a little randomly, but let's connect this. The only things I'm focusing on is key levels, price action, and my overall system. So now that we've hit the key level, which was a pretty strong rejection area, which took us all the way back down almost to the daily low, yeah. That's why I'm now short, and I'll show you why. I took a loss. Give me a sec. There it is. So you see, I took a small loss, and now I'm short. I'm going short. Why? Because we breached the previous lows, and over here we're at the key level. Makes sense so far. The other thing is that the New York markets are going to be opening soon. So I'm just focused on taking these last two trades until the market opens, and then I'm going to be switching from the DAX to the Nasdaq. Overall, I'm going to explain why you guys see so many buying trades as a profit. So I started shorting this market. I was on a call with Jeff, and Jeff can confirm this, a member from our community. Right there, me and Jeff started shorting. First, I had a long because the POC of the market was here. Took some longs, took some shorts. We rolled this very nicely, specifically this move here with Jeff. We had the live call, me and him. This guy here. Then what I did was wait. Took a long somewhere here. I can show the deal map for this soon. The market went up, hit the VWAP. That's pretty much where I got out. And then I waited for the market to give me indications. Once we started forming this higher low here, so you can see low, high, higher low, secondary higher low, I started longing this whole market. Hence why you guys see so many buys in my history for the day. I was initially targeting this area over here, which was today's high, and we could eventually go there. I don't know if we will. And now that we hit this area, I'm trying a very quick short. If that doesn't work out, I'm going to chill out and wait for the market to draw a picture. The most important indicator in the market is price action, specifically highs and lows. Focus on that, and I promise you your whole game will change. Now, don't expect to start feeling the market instantly. It will take time, but you will start witnessing patterns that are developing in the markets, which tend to provide higher probability setups. One of those patterns for me is when the market's going up, comes a little down and forms that lower high and starts coming down. Usually I make really good money, really quick money executing a short on that kind of pattern when you realize that the market's proving to be weak. I guess that's all I've got for you in this one. I hope I made sense. I haven't made the video in like 2-3 weeks. I had some bad news at home and stuff, so I was a little off my game. The pattern I just explained is what I'm hoping to see on the DAX now, because we could have a double bottom, double top forming. So here and here, we are out of volume. And if a lower high forms here, I'll most likely be getting in with much higher volume size to try and target a stronger move towards the downside. Anyway, make sure you follow us. Check out the signature below. Hope to see you with us. Hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you guys soon again. Bye-bye.